Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel Paper Bold, where we are solving past paper questions of IGCSE Physics 0625. Currently, we are doing the top chapter, General Properties of Waves, in which there are light waves, sound waves, and their phenomena. And today we are going to be doing its topic 3.6, which is electromagnetic spectrum. So let's begin. But before we start, kindly like and subscribe the channel. And if you find anything helpful in my videos, remember me in your prayers. Thank you. We do this practice from Read and Write publications topicals, but most of the topicals that are available around, especially in Islamabad, Rawalpindi, Lahore, Karachi, may they be of Red Spot, MH Photocopier or MS Books. Almost 90% to 99% questions are the same and in the same order. Okay, so you can use anything. This is in no way a paid content. Okay, moving on to question number 1. Acha, before we start electromagnetic spectrum, whenever you have a question related to electromagnetic spectrum, kindly write one thing on the top. Okay? Okay, this is for radio wave, this is for microwave, this is infrared. This is actually it looks like to be, this is visible spectrum, this is ultraviolet, X-ray and gamma rays. Okay? And please remember the fact that radio waves have the greatest wavelength. Okay? And gamma rays have the least wavelengths out of all these rays. Okay? And gamma rays have the highest frequency, and radio waves have the lowest frequency out of these. Okay? So wavelength basically increases as we move to our right, and frequency actually decreases as we move to our left. Okay? If you remember their names in the correct order, so inshallah you will be able to do each and every question with ease. And the second thing that you need to remember is that all these rays have a speed of 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 in vacuum, and even in air it's slightly different, but this is the speed that you need to remember. Okay? Even if it's not given in the question, you should know it and then use it where required. Okay? Okay, now moving to question number 1. The frequency of the microwaves used in microwave oven is 2400 megahertz. What is the wavelength of these microwaves? Now, we know that all these entities are connected to each other using this formula. We've been given the frequency and we have to find the wavelength. And we have not been given the speed. So if you know the speed of all these waves is 3 to 10 raised to the power 8, so you can easily apply it over here. Then there's the frequency, frequency that we should write. 2400 mega is 10 raised to the power 6 hertz, and then lambda. So after we are done with the calculations, so our answer is going to be 0.125 meters. Okay, so A is going to be our correct option. Now moving to question number 2. A radio transmitter broadcasts at a frequency of 200 kilohertz. What is the wavelength of these radio waves? Okay, again, we have not been provided with the speed. We know that the speed of all these waves in this EMS, electromagnetic spectrum, is 3 to 10 raised to the power 8. the frequency is 200 into 10 raised to the power 3 hertz, and wavelength we have to find. So after we are done with these calculations, dividing this with this, the answer we are going to get is 1500 meters, but it's not written over here. So if we move this point 3 places backwards, so this is going to be 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 3 meters. ठीक हो गया? Simple maths. C is our correct option over here. Okay, a radio station broadcasts a signal with a frequency of 89 megahertz. What is the wavelength of the signal? Okay, again, we are going to use the same formula. Okay, the frequency is given. The speed is going to be 3 into 10 raised to the power 8. And mega is 10 raised to the power 6, and lambda, after we solve all of this, though, the answer that we are going to get is 3.3 almost. So I think B say it is closest to B, so B is going to be our correct option. Okay. Okay, question number 4. A television station transmits a signal to a television receiving dish. The television has an on-off indicator light. The television is switched on by a remote control, which changes the indicator light from red to green. Which electromagnetic wave used in these action has the longest wavelength? Now, I just told you before that if you write these in this order, okay, so we know that these have the greatest wavelength and these have the least wavelengths. Okay, and they are asking us about the electromagnetic waves which has the longest wavelength. So TV remote is infra, okay, infrared. So iska won't be the longest. Okay, so B is not correct. This indicator light is also infra, so this is not correct as well. If you look at A, so it's coming from a satellite, so this is going to be microwave most probably. Okay, because radio waves are used, don't have much high of a frequency, so they are not used in this way. Okay, so the satellite usage is with the microwaves. Okay, so A is going to be our correct option for that. Question number 5. A student writes 4 statements matching a communication system to the region of the electromagnetic spectrum that it uses to transmit signals. Which statement is correct? A. Wireless internet uses visible wavelengths. No, they don't use visible wavelengths. Mobile phone uses X-rays. No, they mostly use microwaves, and for some functions like Bluetooth, etc., they use radio waves as well. C. Cable television uses infrared wavelengths. Okay, Bluetooth uses ultraviolet wavelength. This is also not correct. So C is the only correct option that we have here. Question number 6. Which piece of equipment is designed to produce a type of electromagnetic wave? Electric fire, electric generator, electric motor, and electromagnet. So electric fire, because which is visible, which produces visible light as well. Okay, na? When you light up fire, so you see the light as well. Question number 7. What is the speed of microwave in air? Speed of microwaves in air would be 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. 8. A student compares the wavelength and uses of infrared waves with microwaves. Which is correct? Wavelength of infrared compared to microwave. Microwaves comes first in the EMS spectrum, which is radio, micro, infra, visible, UV, X-ray, and gamma. So because the microwaves come before infra, so the wavelength of the infra is going to be lesser than microwaves. Okay? As we know that if when we are moving towards the right side, so the wavelength decreases. Okay? So microwave waves would have much larger wavelength than infra. Okay? And uses of infra are in intruder alarms and satellite. Satellite television is comes under the usage of microwaves. Intruder alarms are one of the uses of infrared waves. Okay, ji? Question number 9. Which type of waves are produced by television remote control? So television remote control produces infrared waves. Okay? Moving to question number 10. Which statement correctly compares radio waves and X-rays? Radio waves have longer wavelength and a greater speed in vacuum. Yes, they have longer wavelengths, but their speed is the same. So second part is not correct. So this is not correct on the whole. Radio waves have longer wavelength and the same speed in vacuum. Yes, this is exactly correct, because radio waves are in the start of the electromagnetic spectrum, and they are the type of waves which have the longest wavelength, and the speed of all the waves in EMS are the same. So B is our correct option. Question number 11. Which part of the electromagnetic spectrum is used by a remote controller for a television? Remote controller uses infrared rays. Okay? Question number 12. An eclipse of the sun happens when the moon comes between Earth and sun. Yes. Which statement is correct? Infrared radiations from the sun disappear before visible light and ultraviolet radiations. No. They travel at the same speed, so they would disappear together, not after one another. So let's go through the options. Ultraviolet radiations from the sun disappear before. No, this is also not correct. Visible light from the sun disappears before ultraviolet radiations. No, all disappear at once. Infrared, ultraviolet and visible light from the sun all disappear at once. Yes, this is the correct option. Huh? Because they travel at the same speed, so how can they disappear one before the other? Now? So question number 13. Which statement about electromagnetic waves is not correct? They travel at 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meters per second in the vacuum. This is correct. They transfer energy. Okay. They are transverse wave. This is also correct. And they transfer energy. This is also obviously correct. So they travel at 340. Their speed in air is almost similar to that of speed in vacuum. So 340 is not the correct option. Sound waves travel at this speed in air. And yeah, in air, they travel at this speed. Achha, question number 14. The sun emits infrared radiations and light. Light from the sun reaches the earth in 8 minutes. Which row gives correct information about infrared radiations? Wavelength of infrared radiations longer than the wavelength of light or shorter? We have our EMS, radio, micro, infra, visible, ultraviolet, X-ray and gammas. Okay? So wavelength of the infrared is longer than the wavelength of visible light. This is correct. So these two are correct. Time taken for infrared radiation to reach the earth would be 8 minutes, because they have the same speed, so it would take them the same time to cover this distance. ठीक हो गया? Question number 15. Which list shows regions of electromagnetic spectrum in order of increasing frequency? If you need to answer such question, you should write this down. And there is a mnemonic for this as well if you don't remember the correct order. We've actually been doing this for a long time, so I now don't need a mnemonic, but if you need one, so it is Raging Martians Invaded Venus Using X-ray Guns. Okay? So our raging is R and R is for radio, then Martians, M is for microwaves, then infra, then violet, using X-ray guns. So this is it. Okay? And if we have to answer in order of increasing frequency. So frequencies should be increasing. So frequency increase if we move to the right. ठीक है? तो X-ray is okay. X-ray, ultraviolet, and this is decreasing. This is decreasing as well. Infra, visible, ultraviolet, X-ray. This is increasing frequencies. Ultraviolet, visible, infra, X-ray. This is not the correct order. So C is going to be our correct option. ठीक हो गया? Question number 16. Here are three statements about the speed of electromagnetic waves. The speed of electromagnetic wave in vacuum is 340 meter per second. This is not correct. The speed of electromagnetic wave in a vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. This is correct. The speed of an electromagnetic wave in vacuum is approximately the same as that in the air. Yes, this is also correct. So 2 and 3 are correct. We will look for such an option. C is our correct option. Question number 17. Which row correctly describes what happens to the frequency and to the speed of electromagnetic waves as they move through the spectrum from gamma rays to radio waves? Now this is like raging Martians invaded Venus using X-ray guns. We know that frequency increases in this direction and wavelength decreases in this direction. Okay? So they are asking about what happens to the frequency and to the speed of the electromagnetic waves as we move from gamma to the radio waves. So the frequency is going to decrease in this direction as it increases in this direction. Okay? And the speed is going to remain the same because all the waves that are in electromagnetic spectrum have the same speed. Okay? So the speed remains the same and frequency from gamma to radio decreases. So B is going to be our correct option. Question number 18. The diagram shows three types of electromagnetic radiations listed in a particular order. The electromagnetic radiation is traveling in the vacuum. Which quantities increase in magnitude going from left to right across the list? Okay. When you are moving from left to right, तो increase जो होता है that is frequency. ठीक है? Because left to right, your wavelength is decreasing. So A is our correct option, frequency only. Speed remains the same, ठीक है, throughout the EMS. Question number 19. Which row gives the approximate speed at which ultraviolet travel in air and vacuum? Ultraviolet travel in air and vacuum at almost the same speed. ठीक है? So 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 is our correct option. Okay. Question number 20. The diagram shows the electromagnetic spectrum. A word is missing from the label below the spectrum. Which word is missing? Gamma से X-ray, and if you move towards the radio waves, so your wavelength is going to increase because radio waves have the largest wavelength and gamma rays have the smallest wavelength, and gamma rays have the highest frequencies and gamma rays have the lowest frequencies. So if something is increasing in this direction and radio waves are here and gamma rays are here, so it's going to be wavelength, which is option D. Question number 21. What is the speed of X-rays in vacuum and in air? So X-rays ka in vacuum and in air would have the same speed, so 3 into 10 raised to the power 8. Question number 22. Different parts of the electromagnetic spectrum are used for different purposes. Below are 4 statements about parts of the spectrum. Statement 1. Infrared waves are used in television remote controls. Yes, this is correct. Radio waves are used to transmit television pictures from satellite to Earth. No, this is the work of microwaves. Ultraviolet waves are used for intruder alarms. No, ultraviolet waves are used to kill germs actually. and for other purposes also, but intruder alarms ke liye there would be infra. X-rays are used for security checks. Yes, X-rays are used for security checks. So which statement is correct? Statement 1 and 4 would be correct. So B is our question number 23. Which statement is not correct? The speed of long wavelength infrared radiation in vacuum is greater than that of short wavelength ultraviolet light. The speed of all the waves included in EMS have the same speed. So this is not correct, but let's look at the other options. The speeds of microwave in air is approximately 3 into 10 raised to the power 8. Yes, this is correct. The speed of gamma rays emitted from a sample of cobalt-60 is 3 into 10 raised to the power 5 kilometer per second. It might be 5. Obviously, yeah, this is in kilometers per second, so this is correct. In meter per second, it is going to be 10 raised to the power 8. Yeah. And D has the X-ray emitted in a supernova explosion reach the Earth at the same time as the visible light. Yes, because they travel at the same speed. So A is the answer that is not correct, and actually correct option for this question, right? Correct. Okay, question number 24. The sun emits infrared radiation and light. Light from the sun reaches the Earth in 8 minutes. Which row gives correct information about infrared radiations? Okay, write your mnemonic down. Raging Martians invaded Venus using X-ray guns. So wavelength of the infrared radiation would be longer than the wavelength of light? Yes. Wavelength of infra is longer than the wavelength of visible light. So this is correct. And time taken would be 8 minutes. They've already told us that. So 24 ka answer is A. Moving on to question number 25. Visible light, X-rays, and microwaves are all components of electromagnetic spectrum. Which statement about the waves is correct? In vacuum, microwaves travel faster than the visible light and have a shorter wavelength. No, they travel at the same speed. So whatever wavelength thing is going on, we won't even go into it. In a vacuum, microwave travels at the same speed as visible light and have a shorter wavelength. Okay, microwaves have a larger wavelength than visible light. So this is not correct due to that reason. In vacuum, X-rays travel faster than visible light and have a shorter wavelength. No, they travel at the same speed. In a vacuum, X-rays travel at the same speed as the visible light and have a shorter wavelength. X-rays come after visible light. There is a UV light in between as well. So this is correct. Okay, they do have a shorter wavelength and they all travel at the same speed. Okay, question number 26. Which statement about radio waves is correct? They are used in television remote controls. No, infrared are used in television remote controls. They can be detected by the human eye. No, only the ones present in the visible spectrum are detected by the human eye. They travel as longitudinal waves. No, they travel as transverse waves. All the waves in the EMS spectrum are transverse waves. Okay? They have the same speed in vacuum as ultraviolet waves. Yes, this is the correct option. Moving on to question number 27. Which description applies to infrared radiation? Infrared are longitudinal electromagnetic? No. Longitudinal but not electromagnetic? No. Transverse and electromagnetic? Yes. EMS. They are called EMS for a reason, na electromagnetic spectrum. Okay? They are electromagnetic waves and they come under transverse waves. हमें कुछ हाँ ठीक. Question number 28. Visible light has a frequency of approximately 5 into 10 raised to the power 14 Hertz. M and N are two types of electromagnetic radiations. The frequency of M is 5 into 10 raised to the power 6 Hertz. The frequency of N is 5 into 10 raised to the power 15 Hertz. Which type of radiation are M and N? Now they've told us the frequency of the visible light. So we are going to write the spectrum down. Raging Martians invaded Venus using X-ray guns. Okay? So the frequency of visible one is 5 into 10 raised to the power 14 hertz. And 1 is 5 into 10 raised to the power 6. So it would be somewhere over here now. And the other one, this is M. And the frequency of N is 5 into 10 raised to the power 15. So it would be very close to where visible light is, theek hai na, in the spectrum. So, and this would be far away. So M can be radio waves, yes, or microwaves, maybe as well, but they are not in the option. So M is radio waves. And this would be UV, most probably UV. So B is going to be the correct answer. theek hai, this was N. Excuse me. Question number 29. Which group contains only electromagnetic waves? Light waves, radio waves, gamma rays. Yes, they are electromagnetic waves. Light waves, sound waves are not electromagnetic waves. Light waves, sound waves, gamma rays, again sound waves are not electromagnetic. Radio waves, sound waves, gamma rays, again sound waves are not electromagnetic. So A is going to be our correct option. Question number 30. The diagram represents the electromagnetic spectrum. Some regions have been labeled and some labels are missing. Which regions should be labeled as infrared waves? Okay. Radio, micro, infra, visible, ultraviolet, X-ray and gamma. Okay. So microwaves are missing. So we have to, which label should be labeled as infrared? So infrared would be B, because this is micro, this is infra, this is UV, and this is that. Question number 31. The diagram shows the electromagnetic spectrum in order of increasing wavelength. Okay. 3 types of radiation P, Q, R are missing from the spectrum. Which types of electromagnetic radiations are represented by P, Q, and R? Okay, this is the electromagnetic spectrum the other way. Radio, micro, visible, UV, X-ray, and A. So P is going to be ultraviolet. So this and this is correct. Q is going to be infra. So this is correct and this is not correct. And R is obviously radio waves. So this is correct as well. So C is the correct option. So if you know the correct order of electromagnetic spectrum and correct order of the increasing wavelength or decreasing wavelength or increasing frequency or decreasing frequency, you inshallah going to do these questions very easily. Question number 32. How do infrared waves differ from ultraviolet waves? Infrared waves are longitudinal. No, they both are transverse. Infrared waves have a lower speed in vacuum. No, they have the same speed. Infrared waves have lower frequencies, or infrared waves have smaller wavelengths. So we are going to write this down. Raging Martians invaded Venus using X-ray guns. Okay, so we know that when we move towards the right, it is decreasing frequency, wavelength. Okay, and when we move towards right, it is increasing frequency. Okay, so now we can see that infrarays have a lower frequency than ultraviolet. Infra have a lower frequency than the visible or ultraviolet in this case. Okay, so infra have lower frequency, whereas infra waves have larger wavelength than all of these on this side. Okay. Question number 33. Which waves are longitudinal? Okay, this is light, visible light, so this is going to be transverse. Microwaves are transverse as well. Water waves in the pond are transverse as well. This will produce sound waves, which are longitudinal waves. So D is the correct option. Question number 34. Which type of electromagnetic wave is used in airport security scanners? So airport security में X-rays are used, okay, to inspect us, to inspect our luggage as well. ठीक हो गया? Question number 35. An intruder alarm sensor detects that a human is warmer than his surroundings. Which type of electromagnetic wave does the sensor detect? Okay, so that is going to be infrared. Okay, not radio, not ultraviolet, not visible. We know ultraviolet ke uses are to kill germs. Basically, radio is for communication. Visible light we all know is to see something. So A is the correct option. ठीक हो क्या? Question number 36. Which statement about ultraviolet waves is correct? They are used in television remote controls. No. Infrared are used in television remote controls. They can be detected by human eye. No, they can't be detected by human eye. Only what you say, the visible light is detected by human eye. They travel as longitudinal waves. No, they travel as transverse waves. They have the same speed in vacuum as radio waves. Yes, this is the correct part. Question number 37. Which list shows electromagnetic waves in order of increasing frequency? We know that if we write the electromagnetic spectrum like this, so the frequency is going to increase as we move towards the right. Okay? So increasing frequency would be going in this way. So visible, X-ray, and gamma. Yes, this is correct. If visible, gamma, X-ray. No, this is not correct. X-ray, gamma, visible. No, this is not correct. It goes from X-ray, gamma, and then backwards. So this can't be correct. Gamma, X-ray, visible. Gamma, X-ray और visible जो है वो increasing wavelength हो सकता है, ये नहीं हो सकता. So A is the correct option. ठीक हो क्या? Question number 38. The table gives common uses for 3 types of electromagnetic waves. Which row correctly identifies the wave? Satellite television is microwaves. Terrestrial television, not satellite, is radio waves. And television remote control is infrared waves. So B is the correct option. ठीक हो गया? Question number 39. Infrared waves, microwaves, radio waves, and sound waves are all used for communications. Which waves travel at the same speed in vacuum? So infra, micro, and radio are part of EMS. So sound wave, and they are transverse waves, and sound waves are longitudinal waves, and sound waves are not part of EMS as well. So infra, micro, and radio are going to travel at the same speed. So A is going to be our correct option. Okay. Question number 40. Which group of electromagnetic radiations is arranged in order of increasing frequency? Now just write your spectrum. ठीक है? So increasing frequency would be moving in this direction. So infra, visible, ultraviolet are in increasing frequency. This is correct. Gamma, X-ray, infrared, it's moving in this way. So this is increasing wavelength, not increasing frequency. Ultra, visible, radio, no, this is also going in this direction. So this is not correct. X-ray, radio. Gamma, no, this is also not correct. So A is our correct option. Okay? I've told you, if you remember these 3 things, just these 3 things, the electromagnetic spectrum, the order, and then you know this ke frequency increases when we move towards the right, and jo hai wavelength would decreases as we move to the right. So you will easily answer these questions. And the third thing is that all these waves travel at the same speed in vacuum. Okay? Okay, question number 41. An electronic engineer makes devices which can receive television pictures from satellite. Which type of electromagnetic radiation must these devices be able to receive? So satellite communication is with the microwaves. Okay? So B is the correct option. Question number 42. Which statement about radio waves is correct? They travel as longitudinal waves. No. They travel at the same speed as the sound wave. No. They travel by means of molecular vibration. No. They can travel through vacuum. Yes. So D is the correct option over here. And 43, which group contains only transverse waves? So those would be infra-light sound. No, this is longitudinal. Infra-light, ultraviolet, yes, all three. These are sound waves are longitudinal waves. So any option that has sound waves is not correct. So 43 का answer ये हो गया. Okay, this brings us to the end of our topic 3.6, which was electromagnetic spectrum. I hope you fully understood the questions, and if you found anything helpful, kindly remember me in your prayers and like and subscribe the channel. So take care of yourselves. Inshallah, we will see you in the next video.